Are we heading into a buyer's market in Central Virginia? We'll cover that today on Frequently Asked Friday. What is going on, party people? In this video today, we're gonna ask the question that I've been getting a lot from homeowners, prospective sellers, active sellers is, are we in a buyer's market and/or are we heading into a buyer's market? Let's break that down. So before we talk about buyers and sellers market, I always like to define those terms because I feel like they get thrown around a lot, but a lot of people don't know the actual definition of what's a buyer's market and seller's market. So in real estate, there's a metric that we track called months supply of inventory, which basically says that the rate at which homes are currently selling, how long would it take to sell out the current inventory? So if there's 4 homes on a market, if we're selling 1 home per month, we have 4 months supply of inventory. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, the higher that number, the more that we're in a buyer's market. The lower that number, the more we're in a seller's market because there's less inventory and/or homes are selling quicker. So if you look at the graphic, you will see that 6 months supply of inventory is considered a balanced or a neutral market. Anything above that would be considered a buyer's market. Anything below that would be considered a seller's market. So sorry to interrupt the video that you're watching, but if you would ever want a no hassle, no obligation market analysis to find out what your home is worth in today's market, or maybe you want to chat about the home selling process, or maybe even want to chat about the home buying process, feel free to call or text me at the number below, or you can email me at chris@elliottreteam.com. I'll let you get back to the video. Now that we've defined those terms, let's look at the data from our actual Central Virginia multiple listing service. So this is the numbers straight from our MLS, which catalogs all of our real estate sales and activity in our marketplace. So if you will look at this graphic, you will see that we are currently hovering at about 0.9 months supply of inventory, not 9 months supply of inventory, 0.9 months supply of inventory. Matter of fact, we've been sub 1 month supply of inventory pretty much since the pandemic hit in March of 2020. So we are very much in a seller's market right now. I would make the argument we are still, by the technical definition, we are still in an extreme seller's market right now. So what I've been sharing with folks is not only are we in a seller's market, but even if the market started to cool down, it would have to cool down 6-fold for us to even get into a balanced market. I'll say that again. It would have to slow down 6-fold for us to get into a balanced market, no less even talking about a buyer's market. So are we heading into a buyer's market? I don't think so. Could the market slow down a little bit? Of course. Will we still be in a seller's market? More than likely. Hope that answered your question. If you guys have any lingering questions, concerns, thoughts, fears, if you want to call BS on me, if you want to challenge me, throw it in the comments, shoot me a DM. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to seeing you next month.